How to turn off ads on your Roku TV just here on your Roku TV device with Roku TV remote or the software and the TV in which you're playing the channels. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and let's start this video without any further delay. For this I will take you to the official website here and just show you the genuine step for by which you can block the ads on your Roku TV. So for this, the first step is get an ad blocker. They will recommend you the Surfshark Clean Web on your device to do it. Download and install the Surfshark app on your device or smartphone. Then you have to enable the Clean Web feature available on this app and open Roku TV after enabling the setting. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe to the channel for watching more videos, reviews and updates like this.